So my sister sends me a screenshot and she says, Delulu's mad. And so I'm looking at the screenshots and Delulu mad. Right. Delulu pissed off. I'm like, why Delulu mad that I shared her GoFundMe for her son? Like, why does everything have to be so fucking malicious all the time? Not everything is, you know? And inside of the screenshot, she was basically telling my sister that she sent her a screenshot of airline tickets of her and my son's father with their name on it and them flying to California on April 16th to flying to San Francisco. And I was like, what the fuck you flying to San Francisco for? You know, I mean, she was just basically talking about whooping my ass and stuff. I'm like, bitch, I'm a grown ass woman. This is what I'm thinking in my head. I'm a grown ass woman with a kid with special needs. What I look like getting into a fight with you so I can end up in jail and make my situation even fucking worse? I don't have time for that. I got too much shit going on. I'm not gonna be fighting you. I got too much to lose, boo boo. I'm good. I will pass on the going to jail and fighting. You can have that. No. And it's just like, you got to GoFundMe up about your son who is basically disabled at this point because he got shot multiple times. And you talking about coming to California to fight me? Focus on your son. Like, what the fuck are you doing? Like, I'm like, I wish my son's father would have picked better woman than this, because no woman who's a good woman would be bothering with this shit. You've been harassing me. What the fuck? So anyway, she says to my sister, see, this is the shit I'm talking about. I got nothing to say anymore. And I'm like, what is going on with this lady? Like, why is she so upset with me? Like, why is she mad at me? Like, I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, I'm staying in a hotel room. I explain it. I post the GoFundMe, not her son. I post the GoFundMe to my page so people can donate to her GoFundMe, because I've built an audience of a community of people that like to help people. You know what I'm saying? That's the kind of person I am. I built that kind of audience because I'm the type of person that gives to a whole bunch of people. So I encourage people to volunteer. I encourage people to be a part of the community because I give back to the community, and I've always given back to the community. I used to do volunteer work when I lived in Atlanta. That's what people know me for. Mainly really with me helping with catering to the homeless and doing things like that. So I'm one of those type of people. So my audience is filled with those type of people as well. So I was like, okay, let me just put my GoFundMe up there. She in Atlanta, so the people that know me from Atlanta, maybe they'll donate. You know what I mean? And I hadn't shared. That's it. That's all I said. So people didn't really know that, oh, this is my son's father's girlfriend who's Delulu and be emailing me. No, they didn't know that. They just knew, oh, Soncerae just posted a GoFundMe link of this kid who just got, shot and he needs money. The end. I didn't say, by the way, this bitch is stalking and harassing me. This is her son. No, it wasn't nothing like that. It was, this is an issue. This needs to be fixed. She needs help, period. The end. That's all it was about. Now, you know what I mean? I don't know why that would be poke at the bear. That would poke a toxic ass bear. But I didn't think she was that toxic of a person. Like, I was just like, oh, let me just let her know that I really don't have nothing against her. And I've been telling her that. Like, I mean, like, how many times I gotta say that? You know what I mean? I really do not have an issue with this woman. Like, she windmill in the air. Like, who she fighting? She got a one-sided beef. I don't care if she with my baby daddy. I'm happy she got somebody. You know what I mean? She got somebody to be there for her. You know what I mean? I need somebody that's there for me. So all I can focus on is, my experience and how to get women to not be in my experience. You know what I mean? But yeah. So for some reason, she has the man and still wants you and your son to eat dirt. Like, here's what I was saying to my mother. I was like, listen, she won, right? If my son's father is the prize, she won. Why she mad at me? She mad at me. You know why she mad at me? Because she wants me to stop telling my story about my experience with him. That's what she wants. She wants me to suffer in silence. She don't want people to know that she's dating a man who doesn't take care of his kids, because she knows that if people find that out, they're going to judge her and criticize her. So she don't want me to say nothing because she wants me to keep it a secret as well. And like I said before, you can't humiliate me publicly for all the world to see, embarrass the fuck out of me, do all of these interviews and create a YouTube channel, posting my text messages and shit, tell everybody our business, lie to people about me at that and that, right? And then expect me to respond quietly in private. No, no, that's not how that works. You don't get to control how I respond to your disrespect. If you wanted to control how I respond to you, then maybe you should have controlled your behavior when dealing with me. Because I'm the type of person that comes to people with a level of respect. I do not disrespect people. I do not reach out to people and harass him. I did not do that to this woman. I did not initiate contact with her. When she initiated contact with me, I was pleasant. I said, congratulations to you. I'm happy for you. I'm glad you found love, girl. Do it. What else y'all want me to do? Oh, be quiet. Oh. You're asking for too much after that. You're asking for too. I'm sorry. I can't do everything for you. Now, come on. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? I don't, you know. But anyway, so after all of that, after my sister texted me and I seen the screenshots, the first thing is she wanted to come to California. I wasn't worried. I was like, okay, I hope y'all have a good time. If y'all coming here for vacation or you coming here just to see San Francisco, that's dope. You know, San Francisco is a beautiful place. You know what I mean? That's a beautiful place. So I hope you have a good time. But if you think you're about to meet up with me for some drama and fight over a dusty that got no land, no money, no degree, all the nigga got is a birth certificate because he ain't got a GED either. And you want me to sit here and fight you over a dusty with a birth certificate? I think not. Mm-mm. No, ma'am, no, sir. No, ma'am, no, sir. I'm good. I will pass. Okay, it ain't even worth all that. He not worth all that. I'm not about to lose my son fighting you over this nigga. Fuck that. No. Just like I didn't want to fight Sedonia. I'm not fighting no woman over no dusty. It's one thing for me to sit here and fight for a man that was good to me. This man was good to me. He helped me take care of my kids. He was an amazing father and husband. I love him. Then that's something worth fighting for. You don't fight for a dude that lied to you, cheated on you, left you to raise a kid alone, slept with a whole bunch of women, lied about who you are as a woman when you was nice as shit to him. Like, what I look like? I know I'm a good woman. I know. You know how I know? Because I take pride in being one. So I make sure I do everything humanly possible to be good to the person that I'm with because I want them to be good to me. So when I was with my son's father, I did my best to be good to him. I listened to him. I trusted him. I tried not to pass judgment on who he was as a man. I accepted where he was. I tried to date him for his potential and hoped he'd be better as a person, and he wasn't. The end. All of the videos I used to make about him when we was together, I always said something positive about him. He was okay when I was saying positive shit. It's when I started telling the truth about his ass that he don't like. That's what he don't like. He don't want to hear me say he ain't shit. Because the man he was pretending to be for me that caused me to say all of the positive things that I was saying was not a real person. It was who he was pretending to be to get me to be with him. And the man he's pretending to be with Delulu, the man who didn't even bother telling her he had a son their first year of being in a relationship, he being a whole nother dude with her. And I'm trying to tell her. So anyway, I decided to respond to her email. I decided to respond to it. I don't think people in her circle laugh at her, but they probably will when they find out what's happening. Like, your man, I could see how this could be embarrassing if you taking all this pride in marrying this man, but your secret to the rest of your friends and family has been that he has had a baby that he has not been taken care of. And you found this out the first year you was in a relationship with him. And now y'all on year 4 about to have a destination wedding or whatever. And nobody knows that this man has been hiding a child. He's just been taking care of yours. And you knew this whole time that he was taking care of your kids and not his own. That's embarrassing. Like, once people find, I see why she's been trying to get my videos taken down. She don't want people to know that this is what the fuck he been doing. So what if Miss Monique, if she's doing what you said she's doing, which is telling trolls to make videos about me, she's trying to discredit me as a person. So the truth about the situation won't come out. And if it does, people will just chalk it up as to me just being this crazy baby mama who's bitter and angry at her when I have nothing against her. I was that bitch. You feel what I'm saying? I was the one that was in love with the man who was lying to me about some shit he shouldn't have been, pretending that he was all into me, probably using me for some shit. And I'm pretty sure if she's this, what did you say she was, Miss Monique? Doctor, nurse. What did you say? She has money and shit. My thing is, if you got money, why are you asking for donations for your son's treatment? Why are you asking for donations for your destination wedding? You clearly ain't got bread like that either, or you wouldn't have these links up for donations. People need to stop fucking fronting, and that's the reason why he with her, because he can front and be and put on this facade and be whatever perception of man he wants to be, and she'll accept that shit. I did not accept that shit. That's why we're not together. I was not okay with that shit, and I will never be with him again. And she never has to worry about that. But if he's the prize, then girl, get your man. Now listen, I finally responded to the email. Okay. And let me tell you what I said to her. Okay, after she sent me the disrespectful email, I finally responded. Because I wasn't going to respond, but I said, I'm going to read what I said. I said, for starters, I wasn't trying to get your attention, because she's trying to accuse me like, oh, now you finally got my attention. Bitch, I had your attention the whole relationship. You've been worried about me your whole relationship. I don't know why. Anyway, I say, for starters, I wasn't trying to get your attention. You've been trying to get mine. I've never initiated contact with you. You've made a serious miscalculation in judgment if you believe that I will continue correspondence with you while you disrespect me. Because the way that she talks in her emails is so disrespectful. She's using all this profanity. She's angry as fuck for no reason. Like I did something to her. I don't know this woman.